Yeah man, Toppa the morning, Kish, my world. Welcome to a brand new video man. We are in Diani Kenya, but we are heading to a place called Shimba Hills. And we are looking for some beautiful waterfalls here in the Kenyan side. We don't know where they are, but we are about to explore and see how it looks like. Yeah man, and the guy behind the camera is called Ibrahim Drame. Yeah. Big up yourself, Ibra. Yeah.
Awo.
Yeah, say something.
Awo.
Yeah. Awo, yeah man. So this is our first time experiencing this route. So let's go and see how the waterfalls in Kenya are. If they are as beautiful as the waterfalls I've seen in Jamaica. If it's the same. So let's do a comparison. Yeah man, and that is it. So see you, we have about 40 minutes to drive. Then we'll see how it is. Top of the morning. Yalla. So we have come to the main gate. Welcome to Shimba Hills National Reserve main gate. Yeah, that is it. Let's see what happens here. We're trying to look for the waterfalls. We have these very good waterfalls around here. So let's see what it is, how it costs, how much it costs, what is there to see from here. I think it's quite a drive still, but this is the main gate. All right, top of the morning. There's some white people over here, so I think we have to go there and pay. So no park rules. Do not feed wildlife. No off-road, no drones, no littering, no walking, no sitting on the roof. This is the animals here. Lion, Simba, lions, elephants, rhino, zebra. Yeah man. Shimba Hills Natural Reserve kabisa. Yeah,
Umefikiria tu sasa hiyo.
So iko area. So entrance so far we are being told is 300 for Kenyan citizens. So if you have a Kenyan ID, 300. If you don't have, if you're international, you pay 4,000. It's a lot, and the car is 1,000 and something. So total is about to be 1,600. But we're just two people, so we're trying to see if they can give us the small car price, because this is not a. They say it's a big car, but it really isn't. Yeah man, let's see. And we pay everything online, e-citizen. So they've tried to streamline things, so there's no huge corruption, you know, or under the table type of thing. They're trying to make it like that. So let's see how it goes. And I hope, they said we can see some elephants if we are lucky, and some other stuff, even though we were looking for the waterfall, but we might be lucky. All right, that is it. We have some antelopes over there in the horizon. In a magnificent viewpoint. Yeah man, that is it. Kenyan beauty. Guys, we have arrived to the amazing waterfall point. So this is where we're gonna leave our car parked there, and then we're gonna see some more beautiful views from here. This place is called the Sheldrick waterfalls. Yeah, that's what the sign I've seen that reads Sheldrick waterfalls, and it is in Shimba Hills here in Kenya. Yes, the beautiful land, the beautiful landscapes, natural beauty. So this is where we're gonna be going. I have my swimming shorts on, and now we're gonna start moving along. So here you can come and see the views, but first of all, let's come and see what is written in the signage. So this is called Shimba Hills National Reserve. Welcome to Sheldrick Nature Trails and Falls. Yes, this is exactly what we are looking for. enjoy visiting the nature trails and the magnificent Sheldrick Falls. Please note, the falls are approximately 2.5 kilometers from this point. Oh my gosh, welcome and enjoy nature. So we have to walk all this way. Wow. And then you can also see these amazing animals. So, oh my lord, we have 2.5 kilometers to go down and 2.5 kilometers to come back again. Wow. Shimba Hills, Sheldrick Falls, Visitors Parking Bay, Entrance Podium. So I think this is the trail where we have to walk for 2.5 kilometers. But look at the panoramic view all over. Guys, this is Kenya. Mama land. Land we love. You know, the home, the cradle of humanity. Yes, the home of every single person, black or white. Welcome to Kenya, my beautiful land. That is it, my friends. So let's go walk for the 2.5 kilometers and, you know, discover everything as it goes. Yeah, so let me ask for some info about this place before we proceed step by step all the way to the beautiful places. That is it. Yes, boss, good morning. Oh, good afternoon. Yeah, how are you? So we are coming to tour here a bit. We want to go to the waterfalls. Yeah. So barabara ni.
Yeah, this is the route.
This is the route.
We must be escorted by friends.
We must be escorted, or by a local.
Ranger.
A ranger. Okay. Ah, why? It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Animals, wild animals.
Wild animals.
Oh wow.
We may encounter wild animals on our way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wild animals like elephants.
Elephants, buffaloes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have leopards.
Leopards also.
Yeah.
Oh man. And lions.
No lions.
No lions.
Yeah.
Okay. But elephants, buffaloes, and leopards.
Yeah.
Okay. And the ranger is armed.
Yeah. I'm the ranger.
Okay. Okay. So is it you, the ranger?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna go with you.
Yes, but you're late.
Yeah.
Normal time is 10 and 2.
10 to 2.
10. There's a group that went at 10.
Yeah.
And we have the group that is down there.
Oh, it's already there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So what will we do?
Maybe till tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Because we wanted to go. I even have my swimming shorts. I wanted to go and swim. You can take us.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. You have your rifle, your weapon. Oh, maybe you can take us. Let me talk to my friend here and inform him. Oh, okay guys, we are a bit late, but let's see if it's possible to make it, because we really want to swim, you know, because the groups got 10 and that too. And it's funny that the guy who was at the entrance there didn't tell us about that. It's crazy. Right, so thankfully we talked to the guy and he agreed to take us. Yeah, good guy. So I hope he can give us the tour. He's gonna get his rifle right now because there's wild animals, so it can be a bit dangerous here, you know. Yeah, so in case we encounter any elephants or like buffaloes, cheetahs, he necessarily doesn't shoot to kill them. He just wants to like scare them, you know, so that we can be able to, yeah, to enjoy. And let's hope we see the waterfalls, and we'll tip the guy for being a good sport, you know. That's how things work. Yeah, we'll buy him some dinner. But yeah, I hope this is worth it. I have no idea what to expect, nothing at all, nada. But I'm optimistic. I'm optimistic 100%. It's gonna be a good run. So yalla, let's go. Let's do this. I love random plans like this. You know, this is why I travel, man. Because of this random stuff. You know, unplanned, raw, and uncut, direct. Yalla, let's do this.
Yote.
Uzuri tunarudi kaa sola imetulia.
Hiyo kuja saa 8 ndio sijui ni kumaliza hata.
So guys, we are en route to the waterfalls, and it's a tough walk down. Yeah. Hello.
No.
It's a tough climb.
Not really.
Not really.
It's so fucking easy.
Really? Okay, I hope so, man. So at least going down is a bit easy, but I'm sure coming up, look at this steep slopes. It's gonna be something. Yeah, but the views are worth it. Amazing. And the best thing is this was a random plan. We had no idea we were coming here, but we made it. Thank goodness, man. This is it. So Ibra here is going to work out today. Yeah, cheesy.
Exercise, man.
This is it.
Been 6 years without exercise.
6 years. So today he's gonna feel it. Yeah. And at least we are safe because we have the armed ranger here, you know, in case we encounter any crazy animals. Yeah. Nalo.
And to come here, you have to be fit, man.
You have to be fit.
To the person who painted.
Yeah. But going down is usually tougher than coming up.
Yeah.
So by the time we come back again, the sun will be gone because it's like really hot right now. All right. People.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So it happened before.
It happened before.
Was there any casualties?
No casualties.
Yeah.
The situation was contained.
Okay.
The ranger
Yeah.
shot in the air and it turned back.
Okay. So when you shoot in the air, it scares them. But it's it happens that they are.
We don't shoot to kill, eh?
Yeah.
We shoot to scare them.
Yeah, because you have to protect the wildlife also. But in worst case scenario, you have to.
That is when your life now
is in danger.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you have no other option.
No other option.
Yeah, but has it ever happened with you that?
No.
Okay, another ranger.
Yeah. No.
Okay. And with once with an elephant and once with a buffalo.
Yeah.
Okay, but they're normally not here. It's in the lowlands because we are still pretty high.
Yes. Okay. They don't have place.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
This far end to the other end.
Yeah.
Of course, during the dry season.
Okay. Yeah.
They come this end.
Okay.
To have water.
Yeah, they come to drink the waters. Yeah.
They go the other side.
And this is the dry season now.
Yeah, it has started.
Okay.
Previously we had the rains.
Yeah.
But now is dry season.
Okay. Anyway, I hope we see some elephants, you know. It would be fun to see elephants in close range. So what piece of advice would you have if somebody meets an elephant?
You have the ranger, you wait for instructions.
No, let's say I'm alone.
Don't run.
Don't run.
If you're alone?
Yeah.
Alone, you must run for your life.
You run for your life. Yeah. But at least when we're with you, we just like listen to you, we follow your lead.
Yeah, you just please don't run.
Yeah.
Because if you run, you may be going to danger zone.
Yeah, you might be going to worse place. And also
and you don't know any place here.
Yeah. And they run really fast. Okay. But is it advisable to climb a tree? Or it will knock down the tree?
Let's say a buffalo.
Yeah.
You can climb a tree.
Okay.
But elephant, I'm not sure of elephant because.
Yeah. Because it might knock down the tree.
Knock down the tree.
Yeah.
And then you're down.
Yeah, bro. True. Yeah, because elephants are really strong. Yeah. But they're also very beautiful. They're my favorite animals, so I hope we see some. But I don't want to be attacked, but I want to see one.
Not a lion.
No, a lion is okay.
We had one lion in Shimba.
Uh-huh.
And it attacked one person.
Oi.
Unfortunately, it killed the person.
The person died?
Yeah, the person died.
Wow.
Mauled the person.
Uh-huh.
But you no longer have lions over here.
Yeah, you no longer had until 2019.
Yeah.
When one came.
Okay, by itself.
It just came by itself.
Yeah.
From Tanzania or Southeast.
Okay, yeah, from Tanzania or Southeast, yeah.
Tanzania and the far in South.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
How sure are you guys there are no lions here now?
We are not sure.
Yeah, you can never be sure.
Because during that time,
Yeah.
people used to say there are 2 lions, there are 3 lions. So
Oh, okay.
for us, we saw one.
Yeah.
Which mauled the person.
Yeah.
Killed the person.
But was it a tourist or a local or like?
Local.
The people who live here.
Local.
Yeah.
From within.
Okay.
From Lunga.
Lunga.
So he's not familiar with the area.
Yeah.
And he's using the Kwale Kinango Road.
Yeah.
Late.
At night.
At night.
Okay.
9, 10 there.
Yeah. So he met the elephant. The lion. But was the lion hunting him, or it just like mauled him? It wanted to eat him, or just for? Because the lions don't really attack humans, right?
Before that,
yeah,
it attacked 3 people.
Yeah.
Motorcycle. They managed to run.
Yeah.
They left the motorcycle there.
Yeah.
And the lion took the motorcycle.
Yeah.
To the bush like 100 meters.
Oh wow.
I can imagine. So, it was very aggressive.
Yeah. So was it captured?
Yes, captured
and relocated?
Nairobi.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was taken to Nairobi.
Okay, to the Nairobi orphanage.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Wow, stories from the forest here. Interesting. And there were also some lions here called the man-eaters in this area.
It was in Savo.
Oh, it's in Savo?
Yeah,
okay.
Manyani area.
Manyani area. They were attacking a lot of humans who were constructing the railway line. Yeah, but now they are not there anymore.
I don't know.
Yeah.
As long as those sides.
Yeah.
But they are in Manyani or Manitas.
Yeah.
It's a danger area.
It's dangerous.
Yeah.
It's not recommended to walk.
Not recommended.
Yeah.
Because people are saying that the lions are still there.
The man-eaters. So the story with the man-eaters is like they were attacking humans a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, and they were for like prey to eat on, to feed upon them. Wow. Yeah, this is scary stuff, man, from the wild African, jungles here. Okay. 2.5 kilometers, my gosh.
2.5 kilometers to the falls.
Yeah. And back the same way.
Total of 5.
Total of 5. Yeah.
So we usually tell people before they walk,
Yeah.
they must be
Physically fit.
medically fit.
Yeah.
To walk.
Because today somebody didn't make it, like they collapsed. They fainted. So what happened? They had to rest, or they called in a medical team, or what?
Like the first aid,
Yeah.
then assisted her.
Oh, first aid and then assisted her back. Okay. So you guys are trained for first aid
Yeah.
also?
Yeah.
Aha.
Only the first aid.
So you have to go to a school to be a ranger here?
Yeah, we undergo training.
Okay.
Yeah, 6
And
months paramilitary training.
paramilitary?
Yeah,
Okay. And this is for KWS?
for KWS.
Yeah, KWS means Kenya Wildlife Services, for those who do not know. Alright, awesome. Okay.
Rolling Kurumuji River. Now inside the park,
Yeah,
you have springs, yeah?
springs.
This is water from springs.
Okay, from the ground.
Ground, yeah.
Yeah,
It forms this river.
yeah.
Same water goes to the falls.
Okay.
So you're close to the falls.
Okay, so we are nearing the falls.
Yeah.
So it's time to cross the river. Yeah. So we have to remove our shoes. This trip I've been removing my shoes a lot. Wow, it's very fresh. Wow. Fresh and clean water. Yeah, feels good. And the sand is also very white. Wow. But you don't have sharp thorns on the ground. Thorns from the trees. No. Okay, so I can walk barefoot for a bit. Yeah.
Because you have like 160 meters.
Okay. We're almost there. Almost there. Welcome to Africa. Yeah. Do you have a lot of elephants in the area?
Yes.
Yeah.
200.
Oh wow.
Different. Those days, in one place.
Ah.
And we have the sanctuary, Mwadganji sanctuary.
Yeah.
Inside the park, we have a migration corridor
Yeah.
where the elephants can migrate from
Tanzania.
from inside the reserve
Okay.
to the sanctuary.
Oh, to the
And then
sanctuaries.
back. Yeah,
Okay. But in total, there's like over 200 elephants.
like over 200. Long ago, like 206, 207,
Yeah.
they were many.
Yeah.
That they were causing destruction. So they did a translocation.
Okay. Okay.
Translocated to southeast.
Yeah. Yeah, that was good because if there are too many,
Yeah,
then they start human wildlife, conflict. Yeah. True. Guys, these are the final steps as we are approaching the waterfalls. I can already hear the water roaring from afar. Oh my gosh, it's such a tough climb. So finally we are at the Shimba Hill Falls, the Sheldrick Falls. Yeah, look at this. Ah. Yes, we made it. This was definitely worth it. Woo! At Sheldrick's Falls. That is it, my friend. We did there. Guys, welcome to Sheldrick Hills Falls. Time to swim. Alright, we made it. Like Dune River Falls in Jamaica. It's the same, you know. But this one is the Kenyan version, you know. Wow, Ibra is already there. I don't know how Ibra made it so fast. He's already dipping himself in the water. Yeah, I need to find my way through this rock. Look at this. Oh. Oh, the water is so nice. Look at this. Guys, welcome to the waterfalls in Kenya. The Kenyan version of the Dune River Falls. Wow. Kish my world. Amazing. Hey. Oh, hey, umejipata nani? Massage. Hey, nakupiga ni sawa sawa. Wow, look at that. Clean water. Wow. Rasta, wagwan.
Yeah, man.
Incredible. Wow, this is worth it. Woo. Guys, we made it to the incredible waterfalls here. Such a spectacular view. 100% recommend it. My camera is a bit wet, but we're having so much fun. So I'm gonna put it away and we're gonna continue having an awesome time. Let's see. See you later. %.
Siwezi risk.
Niende mpaka kwenye ndafika. Bora hakuna wanyama. Mara moja. Nani vipi? Hakuna mamba. Boss, nimeogopa. Nafikiri kama naweza vutu wa nyumba.
Ni deep.
Ni deep sana, yeah. But ni vile naona ni kama kuna crocodile swimming. Ah, tosha gari. Oh, piga na hiyo video. Yeah, waterfall. That's one. Best adventure. Shimba Hill Falls. Take it. So it was very deep over there, you know. The water can cover you totally. So you go gradually in. But I was afraid maybe there's a crocodile, an alligator, but I made it. Yalla. Wow guys, what an experience. What an amazing experience. Shimba Hills. And it's called the Highlands Shelter at Sheldrick Falls. So this place is called Sheldrick Falls. Yeah, it's been an amazing day, amazing trip, and we're so glad we made it here. So I think this is where we end the day's video. Kenya is beautiful, Africa is beautiful. Thanks guys for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, and wow, I lack words. The beauty is too much. So we're gonna walk back and hopefully no animals attack us. But it was definitely worth the while. Toppa the morning, Kish my world. See you in the next one. Hii nataka mrembo. Wow.
Bado kilomita ngapi?
Ukiona stairs unajua tumekaribia. Ai bro.
Nishapiga hapo.
Yeah. Wagwan. Shida ya nini?
Shida. No exercise and fitness.
And fitness. Yeah.
If you're not fit,
yeah,
don't come.
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Yeah. That is it. The views are beautiful though. Sunsets. Wow. Kabisa.
Umetoa sigara yote.
Yeah. Okay, pale ndio top kwa stairs. The stairs are over there. Yeah. 1 more kilometer.
No. Half a kilometer, sio?
Moja tu nikamlima.
Yeah, 1 kilometer too.
Hayo maisha. Unamalizwa. Unabaki kwa nyumba.
Wow, the sunset is so beautiful. I love Africa. I love my country, Kenya. Okay, we are walking down this place, or walking up actually, and the views are just too beautiful. Look at this. And the sun is hitting against my face. I'm so happy guys. Kish my world. Kish my world.